Hello everyone, I'm Kishi. Do you know that some fish give birth to baby fish instead of laying eggs? My family used to have small fish as pets. One day, one of the fish started giving birth to many tiny cute baby fish. That was when I first knew about it. Let's fold the fish today. Please get a sheet of square paper. If your paper is rectangular, please refer to my other video and make a square first. My paper is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, but you can use any sizes of paper. Place the color side facing up with the edges at the top and bottom. Match the bottom edge to the top by folding the paper in half. Crease the edge. Unfold it. Turn over the paper and place the corners at the top and bottom. Match the bottom corner to the top by folding the paper in half. Crease the edge. Unfold it. Match the right corner to the left corner by folding the paper in half. Crease the edge. Unfold it. Rotate the paper and place the edges at the top and bottom with the horizontal crease in the middle. Bring the horizontal crease towards you from both sides and match them in the middle. While holding the two creases together in the middle, flatten the top roof. Crease the edges of both sides. Bring the right edge of the top layer to the left, making 3 triangles about equal in size. Crease the edge. For the top layer of the left side along the dashed line. Crease the edge. Turn over the paper. Draw the eye. Now we have completed our fish. Thank you for folding a fish with us today. Please fold more and make their family. Please subscribe and click the like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.